Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their own investment strategies through our technology products and solutions Victory, meaning victory, innovative investment strategies, so far, Sony4 and Bombits. They are very powerful and efficient strategies and work on all conditions. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen. Which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends or known person to subscribe. Today is October 17, 2022. In this video, we'll be discussing about the market performance, Indian market performance for this day. Bank Nifty jumped up 1.5% and closed 39,920.40. Nifty closed 0.7% up, 17,311.80. See what happened, Bank Nifty and Nifty opened gap down. Actually, it went below Friday's low. However, it from there onwards, it started bouncing and it started moving up, closing at nearly at the near day's high. I mean, not exactly at the day's high. So what it reflects, the middle band would have acted as a resistance. Probably it would have, due to which it was facing resistance, but it was able to overcome that hurdle and it formed a solid green candle engulfing the previous candle. So many of the components of Bank Nifty and Nifty, particularly HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, SBA in particular, all these things went up significantly and Reliance also moved up significantly, contributing to such a tremendous up move in Bank Nifty and Nifty. Now, Bank Nifty in the process, what it had done is that it had taken 39,546.20, which we are given as a level first resistance. If you recollect on Friday, we are told that might act as a resistance. It has to decisively break that above. It has broken that decisively. Why we are saying it has broken decisively? Because of the powerful green candle that it formed, and also in the weekly it is moving up and it has crossed the previous week's high, so which is all a positive sign. And the closure is 13,920, which is at least 1% above the 39,546 gap that it got created. So the gap is filled now, which is a good sign from a bull's perspective. But there are some more hurdles at the end of it. When you are giving the range, we will give. So overall, the texture now is on a uptrend. So now TV anchors and others can happily say that India is outperforming or decoupled, whatever they want they can say, because technically it is moving up. Of course, tomorrow there may be some small correction or reversal that can happen, but Bollinger middle band will hold act as very strong support for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let us look at the individual components. Banks, as I mentioned, almost all the banks went up. Bandhan Bank, Federal Bank, IndusInd Bank, Kotak Bank jumped up 1%. AU, Access, IDFC, ICICI and IDFC 2% up. SBI 3% up. So SBI had a stupendous move, due to which overall banking sectors moved up, and even Canara Bank, those kind of public sector banks also moved up significantly. On the financials, Bajaj Finance, Chola, IDFC, L&T Finance, Manappuram, Shriram Transport all moved up by 1%. Bajaj Finserv and M&M Finance 2% up. So hence you can see 37% of the Nifty components was either positive or like banks like HDFC Bank, which remained flat, more or less 0.5% more or so. Hence, you can see the support that Bank Nifty and Financial gave for Nifty. Oil and Telecom, Bharti remained flat while Reliance moved up by 1%. It is the same old story. Bharti this month, it is moving in a sideways, but I expect last few days there will be good up move in Bharti. Hence, till the time one has to be patient with Bharti. Last few days of the month, that is in this month, October. On the consumer, DMart fell 3% post its results on over the weekend. ABFRL, Coalpal, Page all up by 1%, while Bata had a big up move of 3%. So this is what consumer. All other components of consumer remained flat. Many of the components remained flat. On the IT, Apple, SCL Tech and Intellect, LTTS and Mindtree fell 1%, Infi 1% up, others remain flat. Though it is there is some amount of fall or flat or something like that, IT is looking that there is some kind of short-term up move that is going to come. Investors, traders can monitor it closely. That's what I can say. There is some jump that is going to come in the IT stocks. That is what, excuse me, the technical analysis is signaling. So I leave it to you what level, what you want to do and other things. But my intention here is to tell investors and give them an upfront view. Automobiles, Bajaj Auto, Eicher Motor and Maruti up by 1%, Bharat Forge up by 3%. Metals, today metals was a bad day, JSW 1% down, Hindalco, National Union, Vedanta 2% down, while Jindal and NMDC up by 1%. So Jindal Steel is moving up. So we have to see how it is going to go. In this month, if it closes flat, then we can expect a significant up move in next month in Jindal Steel. It looks one of the stronger stocks in the metal packs, in the metals pack. Health and Pharma, Metropolis 1% down, Thyrocare 2% down, while Lalpath 1% up. So overall, Health and Pharma remained flat, excepting these few stocks. Otherwise, Cipla, Dr. Reddy, Divi's all remained flat. Others, L&T down 1%, Havels down 2%, Nykaa had a fall of 4%, Adani Ports, IRCTC, Ultratech and Zomato 1% up. Delta Corp, Aries and Polycab 2% up. Polycab, we have been telling that it is not breaking below the 200-day exponential moving average. Hence, it is taking support from there and jumping up. So Polycab in this month, the flat closing will be more or less flat, but probably it's on a long-term uptrend, which we have indicated many times. Adani Group, Adani Ports today 1% up. Adani Ports and Adani Enterprise, though Adani Ports today moved up, but it is technically looking weak, and one has to exercise caution in those stocks. Technically, I'm telling, I'm not telling fundamentally. Ranges, with all these things, what is the range that you are given? See, we are just moving in the lower range up with today's up move, because it is a confirmation that we obtained because Bank Nifty and Nifty managed to close above the Bollinger middle band, which is nothing but the 20-day moving average, and now it is above all the exponential moving averages. Bank Nifty is still below the 50-day moving average, but anyway, we expect it to go up. The range that you are expecting is on the lower side. 38,437.90 will act as a strong support for Bank Nifty. It's much below from the current level, but it's going to act around 1,600 points below, but it will act as a very strong support. On the upper side, the first level will be 4429.40. What is this level? It is the September 23rd open. You remember I mentioned on Friday and many days earlier also I mentioned the gap that it created, 39,546.20. It closed, after which there was a gap. Today it filled the gap. That is the closing price. But September 23rd opening was 4429.40. So it has to, that will act as a strong resistance, at least for this week. And 4889.10. If that is taken out, the next level is 4889.10. So hence, traders, investors can use this range and they can have their own strategies devised. Nifty 16,950.30. Again, it is the last week's low, which is going to act as a very strong support, because last week itself twice it touched that levels, but this week, had it gone today down and if it would have gone there, we would have told that there is a possibility of that being broken down, but because it has gone up and above the middle band, this will act as a very strong support for this week. 17,464.10 first, the upper target. Why we are not mentioning 17,354.10? One might ask. I feel that in the next 2 days that level will be taken out. With this strong up move, 17,354 will no more hold. In fact, that can start acting as a support if that is broken down, broken on the upward direction decisively, 17,354. Because we feel that will be taken out, we are giving a range of 17,464. That is again financial year 21-22 close. If that is taken out, then 17,593.10. Again, it is September 23rd close. Then 17,759.30 August close. So with this is the range that we are expecting for the option expiry for this week. Thank you very much for watching my video.